Okay guys, this is a video from a while back of my first oil change at the Honda dealer. To protect their privacy, sort of, I figure I'm not gonna mention which dealer this is. So maybe you could get a clue from what they're wearing or whatever, but anyway, I have an iPhone right here with a stopwatch started. What I'm going to show you guys is how much time this guy wastes on his cell phone while doing my oil change. Now this is a free oil change that the dealer sent me a coupon for. That doesn't mean I should be sitting there wasting my time while he's wasting everybody else's time while he's on his cell phone. Now the video is 5 minutes long and we're a minute into it, so I started it right when he began the oil change. The oil change itself. This doesn't count for how long the car was sitting in the lot before they took it in. And they did some kind of a software update to the radio, through the radio. So the iPhone went away, so I gotta start it again. Let's put it right here. Will this work here? That's okay. Who cares? You guys can turn your head. So he could check his teeth, that's fine. I'm gonna start the timer as soon as I see him totally wasting time. I mean, you know, they shouldn't be working like horses. But he's got his phone in his hand and he's going to the computer and he's just gonna stand there. So here we go. We start the stopwatch now. So we're gonna wait. You guys can fast forward this or whatever. Now, this is a timer on the video. This was done with my GoPro inside the car. And on that particular resolution, it was breaking up the files into 5-minute segments, I guess. So I couldn't think of another professional way of doing this. I was gonna get some kind of a timer that goes on the screen while I edit the video, but I think this is the best and quickest way to do it. So he's on the phone for so far for 1 minute and 6 and 8 seconds. Now I was there approximately hour and a half for the whole thing. Okay, so if they're busy or whatever, it's fine. But the thing is this, the point of this video is this: if they are so busy, what is this guy doing on the phone all this time? This is not work related. When this clip is over in about 50 seconds, I'm going to open up the continuation clip that shows him still on the phone before he actually gets onto the computer and types in whatever they gotta type in when they complete the order. So he's still on the phone. Let's see what else. The guy next to him is doing real work, while this guy's on the phone just sitting there. I'm just standing there doing nothing. So I'm going to pause the video as soon as this... Okay, this stopped. I'm going to pause it. 2:47. I'm going to start another video. So I'm going to take a few seconds because I paused it late. This is the other video here of him continuing. So let's start it again. Look at that. One-handed mode. The timer's still going. Ah, it's done. So let's wait. I don't remember the rest of this. Is he gonna go back on the phone again? Now, of course, when he was in the car, doing the update for the software on the car, I'm not exactly sure how much time he spent on the phone in the car. It was a significant amount of time. I don't remember how much. I got a lot of video over there in my backups. But there was a lot of video there. So the time went away. What is this? So 3 minutes and 15 seconds of purely on the phone. Out of an hour and a half is not much, but I don't know how much of that time is actually spent on the phone. So that's it. I'm not going to waste any more time. I'll post this to YouTube and you guys let me know.